Hello, thanks so much for being with us today. I'm Deneen and I have wonderful Stanley with me today. And very recently we went to the California Mathematics Council in Bakersfield and it was 2 days packed of fantastic math information. And since we couldn't take you with us, which we would have loved to have all gone together, we are hoping to be able to share some of the information that we learned with you. And one of the workshops that we went to was by Berkeley Everett, and he introduced us to someone named Jenna Labe, or introduced us to her work. I wonder if you've heard the term data literacy and data science. We know that our students, we are exposed to so much information right now and so much untruthful information that it is becoming more and more necessary for us to teach our students how to navigate and sift through this. And while our high school and college students most definitely need this, I don't think it's a bad idea to start in the lower grades as well. And so this woman, Jenna Labe, has created lessons for us to help our students with this, and they're called slow reveal graphs. And they are something that can be used as an opening routine to your math class. It can be used as an entire unit of graph reading, or it's even something that you could use like if you have 10 minutes of extra time. And so this is all going to be on the computer. And so I'm going to be turning this information over to Stanley now, and he's going to walk you through how to use this information. So I'll be here with you, but you just won't see us. So Stanley, tell us where we're going.
Okay, so come follow me on slowrevealgraphs.com. Okay, click on your favorite internet browser. I'm going to choose Firefox. And in the URL, you're going to type slowrevealgraphs.com. Press enter, and you'll go to Jenna Labe's website. You can click on these menu items and you can read the introduction. You can even watch a video of her explaining how to use the slow reveal graphs. But I want to show you the classroom resources. And as we scroll down, you can see all these different types of graphs that are already ready-made for you to use in your classroom. So I'm going to go and select bar graphs. And here she has two. We're going to use the one called carnivores, omnivores, and herbivores, number of baby teeth per mammal. Now, you know the title of this slide deck, but the students won't. So here, let's click on this image. And here are some of the resources that she has available for you. But what's important is this slide deck. It's already ready-made, ready to use for your classroom. It includes notes and questions that you can ask your students to get a discussion going. So click on slide deck and a new browser window opens. And here's the first image that your students will see. And down here is the notes for you to read to your class just to get them going and having a nice discussion. So you'll say, what do you notice? And maybe the students will respond, oh, the bar graphs are increasing. It gets taller and taller as we move down the x-axis. Somebody might mention, oh, we have these intervals along the y-axis. We just don't know what the spacing is in between. Well, can you guess what this graph is about? Well, probably not. So let's go to the next slide. Here it says, what information did we just learn? Well, it looks like we're talking about mammals. Cows, humans, cats, dogs, ferrets. Well, what do you think it's about? Maybe how many babies you can have? Can a cow have this many babies? A human have this many babies? I don't know. Maybe we can ask, what do you think these colors mean? Why is this one blue? Why is this yellow? Why are these three hot pink? Let's go to the next slide. Oh, it reveals the intervals for our y-axis. Look, 20. So babies is probably out. I don't know if a human can have 20 babies. So that's probably out. Let's try to think of something else. What do you think these numbers could represent in this bar graph? Click on the next slide. Oh, it says number of teeth. So this is the number of teeth. So a cow has 20, a baby cow has 20 teeth. A human baby has 20 teeth. A baby cat has 26 teeth. Oh, and then this legend appears. Oh, so these colors actually do mean something special. So we have a little discussion in the class about what do you think the blue means, the yellow, or the hot pink? Let's click on the next slide. Oh, and it reveals that the blue is herbivore, the yellow is omnivore, and the hot pink are carnivores. Maybe somebody would have been able to guess that in your class. So the whole point of the slow reveal graph is all that information is stripped away and it's slowly revealed to the students one at a time. It just helps them to develop their data fluency and their data literacy, trying to, have a discussion, guessing what it might be about. It's really a great activity to have in your classroom.
I really want to start trying this, but it's so close to the end of the year. Shouldn't I just wait until next year and start with it fresh?
What are you saying?
I'm tired.
That's what every teacher does. Like, oh, you know what? I'm going to change my discipline plan for next year. Why not start today?
Start today. These look so much fun, and I know the students would love it. And so, yeah, I really do think we shouldn't wait until next year. I predict that these standards will be coming to us, but why wait until the standards come? Why don't we get a jump start? We know what students need, so let's go ahead and give it to them. And thank you, Jenna, for making it possible for us to try to teach our students about reading graphs better.
So you need to do it tomorrow.
Or maybe the next day.
No,
After
tomorrow. Tomorrow.
He's
I'm watching.